What's going on, guys? So the AirPods Pro have just been released today. I was in class the whole day. I unboxed them in the morning. If you guys haven't actually watched the unboxing, stop right here, go watch the unboxing right now, because if not, I will find you.
And I will kill you.
Alright, so let's go ahead and put these into test. We're gonna go to really busy areas like this one. We're also gonna go to the metro, to a cafe. We're just gonna put them to real test. The noise canceling is really impressive, but I still haven't actually experienced it in the metro, for example, that it's gonna be super busy. So let's put them to test. Guys, so the AirPods Pro have rubberized tips, so it will literally not fall, so I can literally bend, move my head around. I just got dizzy, and they will not fall, which is great. This is Maya, by the way. She's my friend.
I just got a PC.
She just got a PC. So let's block that out of this Apple Center channel. Guys, so we have to do, I think today, there's no plans on like what I want to do in this video. I want this video to be pretty improvised, but there's one thing that I do have to do, and that is to buy the Toy Story 4 Blu-ray. That has officially come out, so I want to go to the store and pick that up. So I will be asking Siri to give me directions to Fnac, which is the store. Maya, what the heck is that? You have the first-hand AirPods?
Yeah.
You're broke? I'm rich! Alright, I'm putting noise cancellation on right now. Oh my god. I promise, I am literally not even exaggerating right now. Like, just turning on transparency mode to noise cancellation is insane. So there you go. That was actually there you go. That was actually Victor's first reaction with the AirPods Pro. He actually hasn't purchased them yet, but Victor, are you buying the AirPods Pro?
Yeah.
Yes? After this, yeah? Yeah. Supposedly he wasn't, but after trying them out, he says he is like, noise canceling is really a big deal. Like, you literally isolate from the whole world, and the thing that I love about the AirPods Pro is that you can actually turn off noise canceling, you can turn it on. So, look, just his reactions are priceless. I mean, if you're doubting on buying the AirPods Pro, I think you have the answer right now. Alright, so the AirPods Pro also have Hey Siri support, so you can literally ask hands-free Siri stuff. For example, now I want to go to the Toy Story, to the tech shop that has the Toy Story 4 Blu-ray. So yeah. Excuse me! So check this out. Hey Siri, take me to Fnac. Okay, she's taking me to Fnac. It's actually just right there, so I don't really need Siri, but I wanted to show you either way. Let's go ahead and buy. Guys, I'm super excited to get the Toy Story 4 Blu-ray. Seriously, I'm super excited. If you guys haven't seen Toy Story 4, what are you doing with your life, honestly? Alright, so here are the Disney films. There it is. There it is, baby. Toy Story 4 Blu-ray. We have it. 23 bucks. Ouch. But Toy Story 4 deserves it. There's also Spider-Man Far From Home that came out, and I want it, but I can't spend that much money because, well, you just can't spend that much money. You gotta save money, you know? Wait till it goes a little bit down in price. Anyways, you guys don't care. Let me go ahead and purchase this, and we'll continue with our testing. So battery life on the AirPods Pro is exactly the same as the AirPods 2, so we will not be seeing improvements. But I do have to say, though, that it's quite impressive that Apple has actually maintained the same battery life and has added the noise cancellation. Even though I would have still liked Apple to improve a little bit the battery life, but either way, check this out, guys. Look where I am. Why not? Let's go ahead and visit the most beautiful Apple store in the entire world. Guys, look how packed the Apple store is. This whole line is for AirPods Pro orders, so I guess AirPods Pro are pretty popular. Sales are going in for Apple. We're gonna see AirPods Pro everywhere in the street now, I'm guessing. By the way, I asked you guys on Twitter, I'm going to film an AirPods Pro in real life scenarios video. What places do you want me to go with the AirPods? Example, try noise canceling in the subway, like we just did. BMAC has said, try out the water resistant swimming in the ocean, BMAC. I wanna do that. Guys, drop this video a huge thumbs up, and if this video reaches a lot of likes, I will consider doing a waterproof test of the AirPods Pro in the ocean. Do you think this is stupid? Do you think I will break the AirPods?
Yeah.
I mean, I wouldn't go diving, but
Okay, you can try.
I think it'd be stupidly awesome, and I'm sure you guys would love it. So drop this video a huge thumbs up, and let's get this video to a lot of likes. Maya, are you hungry?
I'm so hungry.
All right, it's time to eat some dinner. What?
A very busy day of appling. I want some burger.
Yeah, right? We are at TTB, which is a really good burger place, and they make the best veggie burgers here. So I'm super hungry now. All right, food is here, everybody. Just check this out. This looks like meat, it tastes like meat, and it's really good. All right, so concluding the video, are the AirPods Pro worth your money? Are they worth an upgrade from the AirPods 2? I've only used them for 1 day, but you guys are already asking me, so I thought I'd give you some sort of answer. What do you think?
If you really like music and appreciate like listening
Sound,
good,
yeah.
the sound on the street and stuff, or like if you edit video, do like pro stuff, I think they're worth it, yeah.
The noise canceling is like a bigger deal than I thought. Like I didn't think it was gonna be this good, but just Maya, for example, she talks to me all day in class, all day, so I can just put my AirPods and not listen to her annoying voice. Just kidding. Noise canceling is a bigger deal than it seems. Battery life, as I said, stays the same. You do get Hey Siri support, wireless charging, so AirPods Pro are looking amazing. The only thing that sucks is the price because it starts at 250 bucks. Hold on a second, there's copyright music, so I should probably end this video right here. I will see you tomorrow with my first honest impressions with the AirPods Pro. See you. Subscribe if you're new to the channel because I mean, right? They should, right?
Yeah.
All right, goodbye. There, YouTube, please don't copyright me.